the boy? What are you talking about? You stole my bracelet. No, I didn't. Don't lie to me. I'm telling the truth. Mrs. Carter, are you sure? Absolutely sure.
Why are you accusing me? Because I saw you at my house.
I only returned your newspaper. That's not what I believe.
Liam, what's happening?
Mrs. Carter says I'm a thief.
That's ridiculous. Nobody is listening to me.
Everyone should know the truth.
No, everyone should know the facts. Mia, I'm scared. Don't worry. I'm gonna help you.
Liam, why do you look so upset? Mrs. Carter called me a thief. She said what? She accused me in front of everyone. Liam, tell me the truth. I didn't take anything. Then I believe you. Thank you, Mom.
Why is everyone so quiet?
We have a problem.
What happened?
Mrs. Carter accused Liam of stealing.
Liam, is that true?
No, Dad.
I only returned her newspaper. Then start from the beginning. Why did you go there?
Mom asked me to help her.
Mrs. Carter said her bracelet was missing.
Liam, did anyone see you there?
A few neighbors did.
Did anyone talk to you?
Not really.
Did you see anything unusual?
I don't know. Think carefully. I'll try.
How is Liam feeling?
He's embarrassed.
Poor kid.
He doesn't deserve this.
Dad, what if people believe her?
Then we'll prove she's wrong.
What if we can't?
We won't give up.
Liam, I'm on your side. I know. And I'm going to find the truth. I hope so.
Have you heard about Liam? What about him? He stole my bracelet.
That's a serious accusation.
I know what I saw.
Do you have proof?
I don't need proof.
I think you do.
Mia, some kids ignored me today.
What happened?
They stopped talking when I arrived.
That's not fair. I heard one boy call me a thief.
They're believing a rumor.
It still hurts. I know it does. How was school today?
Worse than yesterday.
What happened? People keep staring at me.
Did anyone bother you?
Not directly. Then what is it?
Everyone is whispering.
Ignore the whispers. That's hard to do.
That's hard to do. I just want this to end.
I understand.
Liam, was anyone else there? Just Mrs. Carter. What about Tyler?
I did see him by the window. He was looking around like he was scared.
That's it. We need proof. Look, the Miller's house has a camera.
Do you think it saw him?
Let's go tell your dad.
He'll know what to do.
We have to check it, Dad.
A camera? That could work. Let's see what we can find.
Sarah, we were hoping we could check your security footage from this morning.
Of course you can check the footage.
Thank you, Sarah. Look, there he is.
I see him.
That's Tyler. He has the bracelet.
We've got him, Liam.
Thank you, Dad.
What now?
We have something to show you. The video doesn't lie. Tyler?
But,
Why?
Liam, I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Mrs. Carter. We're sorry we doubted you, Liam.
Thank you, Bob.
We did it, Liam.
We sure did, Mia.
Everyone knows he did it. Not everyone. Why are you defending him? Because accusations need proof.
Mom, Mrs. Carter keeps winning.
I know.
More people believe her every day.
That's what worries me. Liam barely talks anymore. He's hurting inside.
Dad, what if nobody ever believes me?
I will always believe you.
But what about everyone else?
We'll deal with them later.
I just want my normal life back.
So do I.
Liam, think about that day again.
Why? Because I think we're missing something.
Like, what?
Did you see anyone else near Mrs. Carter's house?
Maybe. Tyler.
Mrs. Carter's grandson?
Yes.
Yes.
Standing near the side gate.
Did he see you?
Yes, he looked right at me.
He walked away quickly.
Then what happened?
That's strange. I thought so too. Why didn't you tell us before?
I didn't think it mattered.
I think it does.
Kobwat-tot.
Really?
Very much.
Dad, I remembered something.
What is it?
Liam saw Tyler that day.
Near Mrs. Carter's house?
Yes, right after he delivered the newspaper.
That's interesting.
Mrs. Carter never mentioned him.
You're right.
Doesn't that seem suspicious? What should we do?
Look for more evidence.
Where can we find it?
Maybe someone recorded that day.
Then let's find out who has a camera.
That's our next step.